Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to send a network reset in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter in this option and click on this button reset now. Your PC will be restarted. Click on yes and wait a moment. If you receive a notification pop up, click on close. Click on close. Go to the start menu, select the power up button, click on power and click on restart to apply the change. Wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.